So Nicholas McGee's reporting a happy Sunday to my Facebook friends in London, England, and of course from around the world, and may God save the Queen. As a descendant of Victorian Village, Collins Chapel Historic District, tonight I have declared original conservative values, meaning as a descendant of Victorian Village and as the youngest Shelby County Unified School Board applicant in 2011, nominated to represent East Memphis and Germantown, Tennessee, I've declared myself an original conservative, not only because I ran as a Republican candidate in 2011, but because I am a descendant of original Memphis and have descended from the foundation of the city of Memphis, I've declared myself an original conservative for the city of Memphis, which has already been written out because I am the youngest Shelby County Unified School Board applicant in 2011 that was nominated by Shelby County Commissioner Heidi Schaefer, and of course I ran as a Republican at that time. At any rate, I have posted on my Facebook blog a picture of me with Amy Rarick, the district attorney. I would like everyone to vote for our Shelby County District Attorney, Amy Rarick. This is addressed to the district attorney. I do believe that we need to make Memphis a safer place to live. I truly support you, Amy Rarick. I think you're doing a remarkable job as our district attorney. And I also like to just reemphasize that I want to thank you for protecting my rights as a public figure here in Memphis, Tennessee, as a hereditary descendant of Memphis, Tennessee. And also, I'd like to express that everything that I get is a privilege. And, that our young people need to learn how to become more obedient students to achieve these type of privileges. The things that I achieve are because I have put efforts into this work, into my service to this land, and everything that I get, I have earned, I have deserved to receive these type of gifts. And I would just like to just reemphasize that to the community, to be hard workers, to work for everything you get, to pray and to honor God here in the 21st century. We seem to be losing our values, our strong family values, our strong conservative values here in Memphis and Shelby County, because everyone's a conservative on some level. It just depends on what you choose to espouse in your life. But we all hold our families close to us. We all hold God close to us. We all are hold people that are special to us close and dear to us. But at times in Memphis, it seems that we're losing the common values of humanity. And I just want to express that the things that I receive, the things that I get, are hereditary. Everyone can't be like Nicholas McGee. Everyone can't be like Bill Haslam. Everyone cannot be like Senator Bob Corker. But we all can come together as one people and learn how to respect one another in the 21st century. What I do is for humanity. What I do is serving my community. What I do is charitable works for my generation, to inspire my generation to public service for hundreds of years from now. So, like I have expressed, the things that I get cannot be bought, like declaring original conservative values here in Memphis that cannot be bought. That's something that's unique to me, that I am the sole heir that can only do that here in Memphis, Tennessee, because I was the youngest Shelby County Unified School Board applicant in 2011. And of course, I'm a descendant from original Memphis. Sometimes we can get confused on who, our roles in life and what we're supposed to do as people, as humanitarians, as citizens of the world. And we all have a place in this great society, and we all have a place in which we can come together as one people and rebuild a new system, and just live life together in harmony. Everyone is not supposed to, be with AutoZone founder Pitt Hyde or FedEx founder Fred Smith. Everyone doesn't have that talent or that title to do that, but we all have a way of expressing what we like in our own unique way. So Nicholas McGee reporting, CNN icon of Memphis, also known as the governor for the United States Congress 2014. May God save the Queen, and many blessings to everyone from around the world, and especially to Queen Elizabeth II. Good night.